So in this video I'm going to be talking about the Kundalini, working with the spine, clearing the brain, the connection to the higher self, and also the connection of all of this to the organs and the different qualities of the different organs. So I'm just starting a webinar series where we're probably going to be working with this for about a year, systematically clearing the energies of the spine and the organs, and the instigation of the Kundalini to work with that, and how that clears through the brain and connects to the beyond. This clears our karma in a very deep way. It's a bit like it's a whole, once you're working with the energies of the spine, it kind of opens a whole new realm. And I've noticed that as we're building up to this, it's coming up much more strongly in individual sessions. It always worked with me in that way in individual sessions, where I'm working with people and their organs, the different energies, connection to the higher self, whatever issues are going on, or spiritual connection, but was always there in the mix. But it's just coming in much more strongly in this profound, transformative energy of the spine. And this Sunday we will be working with the deep earth energies. If you want to come to the webinar, you can, and if you missed them, you can get the recordings. It's all recorded. But we're going to be working with the deep earth energies, and which the organs for that are the liver, the pancreas, the gallbladder, and the duodenum. And they relate to the spine in different areas, but quite a lot in this area at the back of the neck. And I think this area around here, for me, there's a tightness, or earth, or human race. I don't know about the earth, but the human race for many years has been clearing through this area before the energy reaches the brain, and you start moving into a different state of consciousness. When the Kundalini goes through the brain, it opens up a whole new realm that wasn't there before, and you get the spiritual connections to the higher self, and it just becomes a permanent thing. At least that's what happened to me. I can't say it was a pleasant experience, but it opens up the energies to travel through the brain in a permanent way and get the connections to the higher self. And I think a lot of the tiredness issues, I mean, I know there's all of the other factors. There's all of, you know, toxins, food, radiation, mobile phones, blah, blah, all of it going on. But also I think we're going through something karmic to do with this area. And as it transits this area in the spine and goes through the deep earth energies at the bottom here, and then through the higher energies as it rises, it's clearing through the thyroid gland. And I think a lot, whether you've got thyroid problems or not, I think it holds here. A lot of the tiredness holds here, and a lot of it is a tightness as we hold on to our karma before it releases through the neck, before it releases through the brain, before it connects to the higher self. For that to happen, you change profoundly as a person. That's all I can really say about that transformation. Is as you go through that, you are no longer really working from the same base or having the same experience as you were having before. You start working with your energies in new ways. And it opens up the spine in new ways. You feel all the energies, you feel it connecting to all of the organs, you feel it connecting through the whole body. And the spine becomes your friend and this kind of highway of energy. But it also holds your karma. The bardo is what you transit through after you die, and all of your karma of past lives. So when you start working with the spine, you do start systematically clearing the karma, not just from this life, but from all lifetimes, all karma. And this is long and profound journey you can be doing for many lifetimes. But I think it's especially profound at the moment, because I think the human race is going through this en masse. I think we are moving in to a new era. And so this helps with that. It helps with the assimilation of the energies of the spine. It helps with the connection to the brain. And when a lot of people say, oh, don't let the energy go to the head, bad, have it in the heart, have it in the heart. You have to, if you want to transcend, probably the wrong word, if you want to evolve, if you want to open your higher centers, if you want to connect to the divine energy, you have to let the energies go through your brain. There's nothing to fear there. The intellect is not your enemy. If you deny the intellect, you are going to just live below here. You won't be getting access to this. And just because the energies go through the brain, it doesn't mean you're going to be engaging in your mind more. As the Kundalini goes through the brain, in a way you view your mind, in a way you view the matrices that have been holding you blind, that you have been working from on an unconscious level, these cycles where you've just been going round and round and round in a karma. As it goes through here, the energy travels through this circle. It opens up through the brain in a natural way and negates the mind. You get a different perspective of that area. You get a new mind, except it's not the mind, it's a viewer of what is there. And everything you were working on before that point becomes superfluous in a way. It's a different level of working with stuff. In holographic breathing, we're always doing this. We're always allowing the energies to travel through the neck, through the brain. We're always allowing this to evolve. We're always connecting to the higher self. And in people's evolution, at a certain point, that just opens up permanently, and the door opens and you transition, and this whole area opens. It's like walking into a new room. Something is available that wasn't available before. It doesn't mean your life is going to get easier or become hyper blissful. It just means for quite a while you're going to have a lot to deal with. And finding a new way of dealing with the things. Everything will come up to the surface in that journey. So anyway, we're starting working with this connection from the spine to the organs and the different vertebrae relating to the different organs and the different sections of vertebrae relating to the different systems. There's 6 energy systems we work with in holographic breathing. Each one has 4 or 5 organs to it, and we systematically clear those. We get used to the quality of those organs, their transition through their spine, their relationship to the brain, our consciousness. Each organ is a channel, and their connection to the higher self, their connection to the earth, the way they transform and transcend and rotate within us in an energetic and qualitative way. So anyway, we've got the first of these this Sunday. I'll put a link below. If it's over while you're watching this, you can get the videos of them or the recordings from my website. I will put a link below to a free webinar where we worked on the spine. Okay, I think that's it for this video on that. I will make more of these. If you wish to watch them, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll answer your questions. Thank you for listening.